Hi, this is Airsoft Master 329 once again. Today I'm going to show you how to paint some red tire camo on my crappy Cochran Shoot M16. My good friend Zane here is going to hold the camera. So you need to hold closer here. Just put it down on there. Or you just shake it up pretty good first. I'm going to lay it down on the gun. Move it over. And there is the finished product, and later I'll be doing a video on how to make the stencil. So thank you, and view some of my other videos.